Welcome to this rare opportunity for a beautiful home in Mount Tabor, one of Portland's most desirable neighborhoods. The extra deep, naturescaped yard and a stunning porch entry welcome you to this delightful home. You'll discover original hardwood floors and picture rail molding in this light and bright interior. The remodeled kitchen features hard surface counters, soft closed drawers, plentiful lighting, and ample storage. The spacious family room features beautiful built-ins, French doors, oversized dental molding, and a cozy gas fireplace. Relax and unwind in the main floor master suite. It includes a walk-in closet and a large bath with a deep soaker tub. The charm continues on the upper level with a kitchenette in the large open loft area. You'll find additional bedrooms and a full bath in this more than 2,600 square foot home. It includes a large bonus room, a perfect play space, or fourth bedroom with skylights. The lush yard by a landscape designer is full of native plants, fruit trees, and berries in a thoughtful, wildlife-friendly design. You'll also enjoy raised garden beds, a greenhouse, a generously sized deck, and much more. A rare chance to plant your roots in Mount Tabor, one of the most sought-after Portland neighborhoods. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Julie Lais with Premier Property Group at 503-701-7023.